Tomorrow morning, the biggest US listing by a foreign company in history starts trading. Bigger than Alibaba, bigger than Saudi Aramco, and it decides round 2 of the biggest fight in the market. This is the SK Hynix Deep Dive. Start with who they are. SK Hynix is South Korea's chip giant, the world's second largest memory maker, and the #1 producer of the single component AI cannot live without. That component is HBM, high bandwidth memory. Stacks of DRAM chips bonded together, feeding data to Nvidia's GPUs at ferocious speed. AI created a global memory shortage, and Hynix sits at the center of it. Now the deal. Roughly $28 billion in American depositary receipts, listing on the Nasdaq under ticker SKHY, the largest initial US share sale by a foreign company ever, and the second biggest listing of this entire year, behind only SpaceX's $85 billion. But here's what makes it different from a normal IPO, and this matters. Hynix has been public in Korea for decades. These are ADRs. Each Seoul share splits into 10 US receipts, priced around $158. That means no IPO-style lockup cliff, and the Seoul price anchors the US price through arbitrage. The wild first-day physics of a SpaceX don't fully apply here. Different animal. The demand. The book was 7 times oversubscribed. Legendary growth funds lined up for up to $7 billion. Goldman, JP Morgan, Bank of America, and CD are running it. So why list in America at all? One phrase, the Korea discount. Hynix trades around 6 times forward earnings, a fraction of US peer multiples. Same industry, same AI boom, half the price. This listing is an arbitrage on geography. Reason 2, the index magnet. A US listing this size makes Hynix a future Nasdaq 100 candidate. And you saw with SpaceX what index inclusion means. Billions in forced passive buying on a timer. Where does the money go? All of it into capacity. A mega cluster of fabs at Yongin, accelerated 12 years ahead of schedule. A new packaging plant. And Hynix's first American factory in Indiana. And that's where the tension lives. Remember Michael Burry's #1 cycle top signal, Korean chip capex. This $28 billion is that capex. The exact same fact read 2 ways. Bulls read it. Demand is so hot they need $28 billion of new capacity, sold out years ahead. Burry reads it. Every memory cycle in history topped exactly when everyone built at once. The honest risks, dilution from new shares, the memory cycle itself, Korean investors rotating out of the home listing, and debut mechanics untested at this size. So what do you watch tomorrow? Where it opens versus 158. The volume, whether micron rallies in sympathy or sells off as money rotates to the new kid, and whether that Seoul anchor actually holds. Zoom out, and this is bigger than one stock. Kioxia is planning its own US listing. Samsung ADR inquiries are surging. Asia's chip giants are migrating to American markets, and 2026 is the year of the mega listing. Round 2 of the Big Short versus the AI trade starts at tomorrow's opening bell. We'll be tracking every tick. Follow so you're here for it.